Hey, Corinne, my friend, my friend Corinne. All right, so let's talk about these math problems really fast. All right, so I see 9 times 2, 9 times 20. So I hope you already know the rule that whenever you multiply something by a base 10 number, meaning a number that ends with 0, you put a 0 on the end. And the reason why that works is because 20 is 10 times bigger than 2. What I mean by that is if you multiply 2 times 10, it'll equal 20. So the difference between the 2 and the 20 is simply that 0 that you put on the end. So let's look right here. 9 times 2. You know what? Let's say I don't know my nines by heart. Really quick way to solve that is to skip count by 2 9 times. So I'm just going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So if you look, I counted by 2 9 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So skip counting by 2 9 times is the same thing as 9 times 2. So 9 times 2 is what? 18. So that's going to be our first answer here. So then we know that 9 times 20 then is going to be 180. The reason why, you just have this extra 0 here. That means that you're multiplying 9 times 2 and technically by 10 as well when it becomes 20. And that's how you get 180. So next, you got stuck right here again. So what's easier for you? Not counting your 9s or counting your 6s. I'm going to say counting your 6s is probably easier for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my 6s 9 times. All right? So I'm going to go 6, 12. And you might get stuck there. You might not know. So what I like to do is I like to put 12 in my head and I like to put 6 on my fingers to count up. So I have 12 in my head, and then I do 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 6 on my fingers. And then I go ahead and I put the 18 here. Again, now I have 18 in my head, and then I count 6 on my fingers. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that was another 6. So now I'm going to put 24. All right, 24 on my fingers, in my head. Now I'm going to go 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, and I hope you know that the next one up is going to be 36 because 30 plus 6 is 36. And then I'm going to put that 36 in my head, okay? 36 in my head. Then I'm going to count up 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. All right. So let's count how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up, we need 2 more. So we got 42 in our head. Then we'll count up 6. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. All right. So we're going to do 48. One more because that was 8. All right. 48 in my head. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. All right. So we got 54. All right, and that's going to be the correct one. So 9 times 6, because we counted by 6 and there's 9 of them. So we know that's the same thing as 9 times 6 is going to be 54. So we're going to put the 54, and you see the 0 on the end? We're going to put that on the end. All right? So, want to hear something pretty funny? We already did this one because we did our skip counting right here. So, oh, no we didn't because we did our 6s instead of our 9s. Just kidding. So 5s are luckily easy, so we can just do those really fast. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we can just count these. That's 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 times 9 is 45. Again, and we just put the 0 on the end. I hope this helps you. I love you a lot. And this is called skip counting. So this is another strategy. I hope this strategy is easier for you. If not, draw a picture and that can always help. Good luck. Good night.